Well, Louis Ruth headed up to Table Rocks, and I love this photo. It almost looks like it's the ocean looking off a cliff, and the haze and the fog in the distance is the water. A great photo by Louis Ruth Photography. And of course, you can send your photos in of whatever you're seeing. If you're at the coast and seeing those nice sunny conditions, please send them in. Us in the valleys that aren't seeing as much sunshine would like to remember what it looks like. Today in Medford, we actually did see that sunshine for a little bit, and though most of the day was fairly cool, this afternoon temperatures warmed very quickly. 50 degrees for the high temperature all along the I-5 corridor in the 50s. The coast was much cooler today, about 10 to 15 degrees cooler than the last couple of days, but that's going to change again tomorrow. We'll see those temperatures warming up very nicely at the coast. And the Shasta Valley, Dunsmuir hit 62 degrees this afternoon. Other areas were in the 50s. The fog in the Shasta Valley burned off around 9 o'clock this morning, so about half an hour earlier than what we saw yesterday. That trend will continue for the next few days. Medford hit 50 degrees, Rouge 53. Grants Pass, though, stuck in the clouds, only hit 37 degrees this afternoon. As we head into the day tomorrow, a little bit warmer at the coast, and we'll see clouds decreasing through the day at the coast. Some areas will actually start off mostly cloudy with areas of fog. Fog for our valleys and our high temperatures once again. We will struggle to get there. The morning hours are still going to be fairly cool. And then in the afternoon, when the sun finally comes up, that's when the warm up happens. So we were just talking about the next polar vortex, the next Arctic air mass that's moving into the East Coast. And all of this is due to the high pressure over our area. Follow the jet stream, dips down, all the cold air from the Arctic moves in. Right now, it's 2 degrees in Chicago and then moves back up. And that is the pattern of the jet stream that we've been dealing with for the last couple of months. We really need a change to happen in the big weather scheme, the jet stream pattern, and that is just not in the forecast. Now I want to show you, this is why I love weather. Things like this fascinate me. So here's our low pressure associated with this cold front that is basically falling apart as it moves inland. This low pressure is going to ride north along the jet stream, right along that high pressure ridge, dent it in a little bit. Then as we head into Thursday, it's going to move south into central California. As we head into the weekend, it's going to continue to loop around and it's going to end up offshore. So from all the way up north, all the way down here, it is taking the longest way around to get there. But as it moves across our area Thursday into Friday, winds will pick up. And due to the dry conditions we're dealing with right now, and winds, we're talking sustained winds, 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusts up to 30. We've seen stronger winds. We've seen hurricane force winds. It's not even going to be that windy. That's just how dry we are. That low pressure is going to sit offshore through the weekend and finally move through as we head into next week, and that's when we could bring in our next chance for showers. So all of this relying on one low pressure system. At the coast for tomorrow, a little bit warmer. Brookings back into the 60s. Northern California, some patchy freezing fog to start the day out, but by the afternoon, by early morning, in fact, the fog is going to clear, and then it's going to be another mild afternoon. In the basin, a mix of sun and clouds, clouds decreasing through the day. The warmer spots, once again, in the 50s by the afternoon. And in our mountain locations, we'll see another mild day. A few more clouds due to that cold front, but still expecting to see a lot of sunshine. And for our valley locations, Grants Pass, I once again think you're going to get stuck in the clouds, but Medford, Ashland, Cave Junction will see that sunshine and thus warmer temperatures. So at the coast, the Chetco effect returns on Thursday. Temperatures in Brookings into the 70s, very breezy, warm, dry winds. Northern California, breezy as well on Thursday. This is when that fire weather watch goes into effect Thursday evening through Friday morning. In the basin, breezy as well, and then dry and sunny, continue to be dry through and sunny into the weekend. In the mountains, our next chance for showers will be Tuesday due to that low pressure I was showing you earlier. And for the Rogue Valley, we'll see a few isolated showers. Now, we could see some showers with this system, but it's not the downpour that we really need. But hey, we'll take it.